Bonjour à tous, c'est Ulimate et j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve sur Silent Hill 2, le remake, et c'est parti pour la suite de l'aventure.
Hey, it was you, wasn't it? You're the one who stepped on my hand.
Maybe I did.
What's a little girl like you doing here anyway?
I don't know. What's a big dum-dum like you doing here anyway?
Hey, that's not very nice. Didn't your parents teach you any manners? What you got there?
None of your business. You didn't love Mary anyway.
What? Hey, wait! How do you know her name?
Nous, on galère et la petite fille normale se balade comme ça. Tout va bien. Petit jardin. Les jardins japonais sont quand même bien plus beaux, hein.
This is it. Mary, could you really be here?
Morte la statue. Y'a rien là? Déçu. Quand même les statues et tout sont bien glauques.
Mary? No. You're not.
Do I look like your girlfriend?
No, my late wife. I can't believe it. Your face, your voice, you could be.
My name is Maria. I don't look like a ghost, do I? See? Warm.
Sorry, I got confused.
Hey. Where are you going?
I need to find Mary.
Didn't you say she died?
Oh,
Elle veut, hein.
yeah. 3 years ago. It's just I got a letter from her.
A letter.
I know how it sounds. I'm not. I don't.
Hey. It's okay. So, what did the letter say?
She said she was waiting for me. In our special place.
And that's here? Anyway, I haven't seen her. Is this your only special place?
I don't know anymore. There was something I can't quite.
Hey! I think I might know. I mean, there's this one place. Not far from here.
What kind of place?
The kind two lovers might call special. I can show you if you want. Unless you have somewhere else to be. Something else to do. Hey, easy there. I'm just messing with you. Come on. It's this way.
You're coming with me? Can't you just tell me where it is?
You're just gonna leave me here? Alone? With all these monsters around?
No, I just...
Is it because I remind you of her? You loved her, didn't you? Didn't you?
All right, just... Come on.
So it's okay.
Yeah.
Elle me drague, elle m'emmène en date, alors que je fais tout ça pour ma femme. Ah, je pense qu'ils se confondent en mari à mari, c'est presque pareil, hein. On doit se dire. Hein. Pas possible. Hein.
Come on, let's go.
Ah, c'est... En vrai, c'est vrai que le jeu, il est pas facile à comprendre, mais en... Bah, t'es James, en fait, et tu retournes à Silent Hill pour récupérer ta femme qui t'attend là-bas.
Through here.
Strange. I could have sworn.
What? Is something wrong?
No, it's nothing.
Mais c'est vrai que ça me fait penser un peu à tout se passe un peu dans sa tête, quoi.
I think it's easier if I just show you.
Elle veut me montrer un endroit, mais c'est moi qui est devant, quoi. Ouais, c'est ça. Tout est dans ma tête.
There, we can go through the motel.
Motel. Ok. Tout est dans ma tête. Non? Voilà. Ah, du coup, ce jeu il me représente bien, quoi. Je suis un peu comme James, quoi. Il y a rien dans ce... Il devrait peut-être avoir un code. Il y a des énigmes en plus, donc... On va essayer 107. C'est pas 107. 1, 2, 3, 4, le 0, 0, 0. Si c'était si simple, franchement, allez. Non, ça marche pas. Franchement, si c'était si simple. 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, c'est les numéros de bateau, ça. C'est les codes que tout le monde met au début. Quand ils ont pas d'idée.
Cozy.
Douillet.
This room. There's something wrong with it.
Tu veux taper une pause ici ou...
I think we should leave.
Oh, loosen up, James. Sure beats running around with those monsters out there.
I'm not so sure.
Bon, j'imagine que je trouve comment on résout ce code là. Alors. J'imagine on a oublié un truc. On peut pas résoudre vite. Ah,
Hey, why'd you do that?
je me disais aussi.
Can you let me in?
Oula. J'en aurai un petit freeze. Bah, je crois qu'on vient de trouver la réponse.
Hey, you think I'd look good in this one?
Elle veut vraiment, hein. Ah, c'était pas là. Là. Mince.
Glad you were here.
Ah, regarde pas ses arrières hein, aussi.
I think you just saved my life back there.
Glad I did.
Yeah. So am I.
Mince. J'ai trouvé dans le coffre du motel. Ouais, mais t'as triché. Ça compte pas ça.
Hey, you okay? It's like you froze for a second.
Yeah,
So that's what it was for. Yay.
Oui, oui, un ancien.
where'd you
On
go?
dit.
Just down this way.
Ah, mais c'est pas le film Monkey? Le petit singe.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, it's just. This place just gives me the creeps. I'm not sure why.
You ever been inside?
I'm not sure. It does feel familiar somehow. Like a bad memory. It's nothing.
Il est retourné dans sa ville en fait.
Strange. This should not be here.
Well, it is. So, what now?
Now we look for another way.
Come on.
James?
Mais non. Je survis. Et en vrai, le jeu... Bah... C'est compliqué à expliquer, hein.
James?
Stay close.
Et on est passé sur Call of Duty avec les mobs qui... les zombies qui arrivent de partout. Je sais pas de bras, pas de chocolat de base. Pas de bras, pas de combat. Ils arrivent bien à se battre, hein, malgré tout. Hein. Ils ont pas de bras, mais... Là, lui, il a vraiment pas de bras du tout, il a que des jambes. En plus, j'ai une personne à côté de moi. Maria, là. Je peux tout lui faire. Bon, ils arrêtent de courir partout, là. Ah, les gens, hein, ils sont couchés. Tout le temps, ils se baladent couchés. Entre ceux qui sont couchés, qui t'attaquent au sol, ceux qui te crachent dessus. On peut faire une petite partie de tennis, de ping-pong. Non. Je crois qu'elle a pas très envie. On va faire de ping-pong. Dommage.
Through the fence.
Pas mauvais ping-pong, hein, pourtant. Ça fait vraiment rien. Attends que je fasse vraiment tout.
Thank you, James. I'm not sure I would have made it.
Just stay close.
Hop, petit tour de magie. Bon, on est dans un bar là. Pas que d'ailleurs. Ça, c'est une coiffure.
Maria? Hello?
Bien fermé là où il y avait l'alcool.
Maria?
Elle date vraiment James, hein.
What? Come on, don't give me that look. I was just kidding.
What is this? Is this the special place you met?
Don't be silly. Just have to go through and out the front. Then again, now that we're here, can't we stay? Just for a little while. Catch our breath before we head back out there.
I don't have time to take a break. Mary could be out there, waiting for me.
I know. It's just... this place, this whole thing, it's like a nightmare. I just wanted to get away from it, even for a second. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I guess this place is getting to me, too. Am I crazy? You know, for thinking she could be here.
Crazy is one word for it, I guess. I can think of another.
What's that?
Hopeful.
Well, that's a nicer way of putting it.
Here.
What are you doing?
Something to take the edge off. No? You sure? Fine. Be that way. Here's to... hope. Undying.
We should probably get going.
Fine. Ready when you are.
Ouais, vraiment. C'est ça son endroit qui parlait où genre tous les couples se rencontrent, le meilleur endroit et tout. Pas se rendre l'info, hein. Y'a rien par hasard. Tableau, des tableaux. Pareil pas du soin ou des munitions. Je m'y connais pas, mais je pense que c'est du whisky.
Let
Bah.
me know when you want to move on.
Bah, je vais y aller.
Let's go.
All right then. Come on.
Elle me bloque le passage. Ah oui.
We could come back later if you want. You know, in case we need a break.
I'm not sure if that's a good idea.
Whatever you say. I mean, any port in the storm, right?
Elle drague jusqu'au bout, hein. Elle lâche pas la grappe, hein.
So.
C'est pas que je fais ça pour ma femme ou...
Okay, it's not far now.
Voilà.
All of those things.
J'aime trop se cacher, eux. Brouillard. Voilà. Ça fait penser un peu au début quand t'es dans la ville. Ce brouillard.
Look, we're on the other side of that chasm. Some detour. But hey, at least we're here.
Here meaning where exactly?
Come on, you'll find out.
Pareil que vous voulez.
That's it? A garden?
There's a bit more to it than that.
If you say so. I don't think I've been here before.
Come on, she's just around the corner.
She? Who is she?
There's a story told around these parts. Kind of a local legend. Tells of a woman who was cast out. Sentenced to die on an island out on the lake. There was a man in town who fell madly in love with her. And every night, he would sneak out. Row across the lake, bringing her food and company. And every night, she would stand there, on the shore, holding a lit candle to help him find his way. But this one night, a terrible storm broke out, caught him out in the open, and it blew out the candle. Even in darkness, the man would not give up. He would not turn back. So he fought against the raging waters until finally the lake took him. They say even then, the woman never lost hope. She kept coming out at night, kept lighting the candle to bring her beloved home, to lead him to shore. Not sure how much truth there is to it. It's probably just a fairy tale. But she's become something of a local saint. A patron of undying love. Hence this place.
She's not here.
What?
She's not here. And why would she be? I don't even remember this place. This was a mistake. I shouldn't have come here.
Hey. It's okay. There's plenty of other places to look. We can still...
Ah, j'avoue que là, il y a beaucoup de
not.
cinématiques, hein. Nous, on veut du gameplay.
I think it came from inside the theater. You okay?
Yeah. Maybe you better wait here.
Okay. Not much of a movie fan anyway.
Ça fait genre. Tu as pas envie de me suivre, ouais.
James,
Yeah.
be careful in there.
Yeah.
This is boring.
Ah, c'est la petite fille.
You didn't seem bored a minute ago. Screamed your head off, didn't you? You should have seen your face.
I told you. It was this big rat. Jumped right at me.
Did you hear that too?
Encore une cinématique. Ah là, il y a que des cinématiques là. J'ai plus qu'à tout couper et c'est bon, je fais toutes les cinématiques en film.
Eddie?
Oh. You're,
James. We met back at the apartment building.
yeah. I remember.
I see that you didn't make it out yet.
Yeah. I just didn't get around to it yet.
At least you got your appetite back. Are you alone here, Eddie?
No.
Well,
That's probably just Laura messing around.
the little girl? Laura, is that her name?
That's what she said.
I'm gonna go look for her. You coming?
Now you want me to come with you?
Never mind.
Hello, j'espère que ça va. Bah écoute, ça avance tranquillement. Les premières parties là, quand j'ai repris, c'était très stressant. Bah maintenant, c'est beaucoup de cinématiques quand même. Donc c'est un peu moins stressant.
Laura?
On avance tranquillement. Ouais, le popcorn, hein. C'est ce qu'avait fait Eddie, quoi. Pas sûr que ça soit vraiment du popcorn, mais... Euh, Dans les cinémas, c'est comme ça. Dans le calvaire. Tu vois, t'as plein de cinématiques. Tu peux prendre un popcorn, on est dans un cinéma, tout se passe bien. Parfait.
Hey!
Ouais, Maria, je l'ai trouvée et elle m'a emmené jusqu'au cinéma. Elle m'a dit j'ai un endroit où les amoureux se retrouvent.
Laura, stop! It's dangerous!
Et dans un club. Voilà, voilà.
Maria?
Bah tiens, voilà, elle est là.
Did you see a little girl?
Yeah, I tried to stop her, but she went that way. We can still catch her.
Là, on suit la petite fille. J'ai eu mon premier combat aussi contre Pyramid Head. C'est pas par là du coup. Ah. Non plus. T'as la brume et en fait ça te fait plus perdre qu'autre chose parce que du coup tu sais plus où tu vas. Oups.
James, look.
Ah, l'hôpital.